Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. So Ethereum has reacted to that B-wave support area I communicated in the previous video. So we obviously are still in this larger support zone, which is relevant for the overall wave 4 correction here on this chart. And this support area is defined between 2,977 and 3,522. This is the larger support area. Tomorrow, in probably one of the videos tomorrow, we're going to take a look at the daily chart again, but let's just keep it simple in this video. Let's just take a look at the shorter time frame, because this is really what it's about at the moment. I'd like to see still this higher B wave. Ether is in desperate need for a higher B wave. How does this work out? So first of all, I mean, it would be ideal if wave 4 bottomed already, had wave 4 bottomed. That would be ideal, because then wave 5 would be unfolding. We can carry on with our overall bullish impulsive thesis on this chart. But the thing is, I don't really have evidence that all of wave 4 bottomed after wave 3 topped last. No, when was the top? Tuesday, the 12th of March. Yeah, that was the top. Wave 4, yeah, it could have bottomed. Okay, possible. But then I don't have a 5-wave move to the upside, that's clear. And because I don't have a 5-wave move to the upside, I cannot really give you confirmation yet that wave 4 is bottomed. Of course, anything is possible. Obviously, the move up would be a fifth wave, so it could always be an ending diagonal, and then we don't necessarily need 5-wave patterns to the upside. However, it still would be preferable to see a 5-wave move up to suggest that wave 4 is bottomed. It would be the most straightforward one. Now, we only see 3 waves up, and I have labeled it as an A wave to the upside, followed by a B wave down. The micro support area, basically the support area within the larger support area, so far is holding, and it's been defined, or it's defined between $3,164 and $3,312, and then the 3,250 level is in between, and is the golden ratio level. One of the most important Fibonacci retracement levels anyway, one of the most important Fibonacci ratios. So the price clearly reacted here to the 61.8 retracement, as you can see. And now we could be on the move to the upside in what would be wave C of that larger B wave there. So why is this so important that we move higher? So it is important that we hold this micro support area, because a break below the micro support area would suggest that we will also break below the 20th of March low, which was here the swing low at $3,055. The thing is, if that level breaks, we're likely going to touch the 50% Fib level, and we'll break it with a high likelihood. So the reason for that is that in this scenario then, if we break below support, we have to assume A wave down, B wave up, C wave down. And because the C wave needs some space, it would most likely run out of space if this here is already all of wave B. For now, I prefer that the wave B is still unfolding, and this move down was an A wave. This is an A, B, C structure in a larger B, and then we come down in wave C. Then at least, as long as the B wave is nice and healthy, the C wave has at least enough space. Because what we ultimately need to avoid to keep the overall most straightforward bullish scenario alive on the Ether chart, we need to see the price hold above 3,977. That's the 50% Fibonacci level of circle 3. And the thing is, if a wave 4 would normally not break below that 50% Fib level. If it does, it's normally not a wave 4, and we would have to revise the overall expectations on the chart. For now, I mean, what we can see right now is that the price has reacted to that support area. So it might be that wave 4 has bottomed. To be honest, I would like to avoid a break below today's low. Okay, maybe one more low is acceptable here to 3,164, but ideally the low is in, and we would then move up in wave C. Next structural resistance is around $3,543, and this level needs to break for further confirmation that a low is in place. And if a low is in place in wave B, then this here would be the ideal target area for wave C. It's between $3,818 and $4,214. And but the 100% extension level should be reached. I mean, they can always overshoot these B waves. It would even be better, you know, the higher it goes, the better it is for the overall bullish thesis on the chart. So that's my update about Ethereum. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.